Hudimindak? Hudimindak.
Why you say for me Menda?
Hudimindak.
Why you say for me Menda?
It's
You know what is Menda?
It's evening here, guys. 6 o'clock.
Goedemiddag.
Hudimindak.
Goedemiddag.
Dank you, Bell. Dank you, Bell. Stop, my love. Yes.
Yeah.
How are you guys? Sana you're doing great there. Because I am excited now. My husband have something for me.
So
I don't know what is that.
I come back tomorrow, okay?
She has something for me. What's that? I need to close my eyes?
No.
I know, okay. Dobra. Yeah, what's that? That's
your present.
present for.
For
Present for.
the birthday.
Birthday present.
Yeah.
What's this, my love?
Open
Why,
it.
too small, like a paper. Not like big, like, you know. Wow, excited. Stop, my love. Stop.
Yeah, you
What's
want
this?
you want all jewelry salon,
Yay!
yeah?
I have already. I have another present from my husband. Thank you, my darling. I open now?
No, wait till tomorrow.
Why?
Because like that.
Yeah, my love. I cannot sleep. My love. It's gold.
It's gold. It's silver and gold plated.
Why is not all gold? I'm a gold digger. It can
Not sell. Not to sell.
not like sale. I don't like to sell, but I can if emergency.
No. I can sell you in emergency.
No, I am the wife, not. I know, my love.
Yeah.
See how much you pay?
No.
No price.
No price.
Where you order this? Silver in gold plated. Now I'm Katin. Heart boardings. How many carats? No. Oh, hindi man gold. Oh, not happy. It's a big love. Big heart. See? Let's see. I wait. Take a look. Two hearts together become one. See? Two hearts together and become one is powerful. But hello, I have something in here.
Yeah, but you don't see because you're blind.
My God. It's Thomas and Benji. Personalized, my love?
Yes.
Super, my love. You have a kind of what? A kind of... Basta-basta sa my love. You have idea? You have idea.
Yes, I have.
Look at that, guys. How to do it. Thomas and Benji. You can see?
No.
You cannot see?
No.
Hayop maning. Thomas and Benji. No? Like that. Thank you, my love. I will steal this one for shopping. Stop it. I hate it. May put in my my love. If it so big heart. Put in my my love. I have a mayaman ako, guys. I'm a rich. I have a gold. Well, my love. I'm gold plated. What's a big heart, my love? That's good. I like it, my love. I like this one, my love, because...
Yeah, but you must look out for don't break it.
Huh?
You must look out to don't break it.
Which one do you go? Why? Break it?
I don't know. If you break it, then it's not possible to fix, probably. Let's take the help.
Wear this... Yeah? Not too big? Not too long?
No, it's the same length like you have already.
I see. Tadang. Ang pagmamahal ay mahal. How much you buy this one, my love?
Top secret.
Because it's cheaper, guys, because it's just silver and
gold.
Gold.
Little bit gold. More silver, but a little bit gold.
I don't know. Stop, my love. Stop, my love. I have something to tell you about. I have something to tell you. Stop. Stop, my love.
What you want to tell me? Huh?
I'm full. See, guys, I have I'm rich now. I have a gold. This. Thank you for the present, my love. I like it.
But
I like it because you have your name and I have my name there. But not too expensive. I want expensive. I full, my love. Stop. Stop. Thank you, my love. Thank you for the present.
You're welcome.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Bye. Please subscribe. Please subscribe and like. Stop, my love. Stop. Ay, naku, ayop. Bye. Have a good evening.